Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to do a little shopping, but first I'm going to head over to Kirkland and return a 40 by 40 canvas print that I bought for my kitchen. Now I did hang it, but I don't like the way it looks, so I'm going to go ahead and return that, and then I'm going to head over to Hobby Lobby and see what I can find over there for my kitchen. And then I will check out the Christmas decor and see what percentage they have off now. So let's go ahead and go shopping and see what I can find. I'm over here at Hobby Lobby, so I decided to go down their Christmas aisles and see what they had left over. And they do have their Christmas clearanced off at 90%. And they had a lot of tins, and they did have a lot of ornaments left over. But I had went to Walmart at 75% off, and I just got so much stuff from Walmart, I figured I didn't need one more thing. Now those little Merry Christmas signs, those were pretty cute, but they were broken, and I think all of them were broken. I saw 3 of them. And they had little chips out of them. Now these little signs here were cute. And they got ribbon. These little dog cookie jars. And then I thought the deer were pretty nice in silver. But I decided to pass on all the Christmas stuff and to look for something for my kitchen, because I needed something on this back wall. But I wanted to show you guys what they had left. There's a few bows and tree toppers. And some small deer. And then there's your Christmas bulbs that they had left over. So let me go ahead and show you what I got at Hobby Lobby. Now I did buy this big kitchen sign. My wall is very large, so I'm going to try to put the kitchen sign maybe up a little higher. And then I purchased these here, a fork, and I got a spoon. So my idea is to hang that up and somehow, like I said, I don't know what it's going to look like. A lot of times I buy this stuff, I come home and it looks awful. Then I got to run back to the store and take it back. So it gets a little frustrating, but I do want to try to incorporate some of the farmhouse into my kitchen. I want to show you I did get the buffalo check curtains and all my sliders. And then I used, in my kitchen, I went ahead and bought the little cotton wreaths, and I used the buffalo check ribbon on those for my cabinet doors. So anyways, I have the fork and the spoon, so my idea is maybe to hang this, hang that below it, and then I think these are pretty cute. The little rooster that says Rise and Shine. So I'm gonna just have to see what it's gonna look like. Maybe those are gonna go, I got 2 of these. Now all their wall art was 50% off, and then they had a spring collection that was 40% off. So this will probably go something like this, and these were priced $15.99, so these were 50% off. So these are priced at $19.99. I used 40% coupon off on one of those, and this sign here ran me about, I think, $29.99 for this. So let's go ahead and I'm going to try to get out my hammer and my nails and see what I can do. I went ahead and hung my kitchen sign. Now I want to tell you what I did to get it centered on the wall. Now I went ahead and measured the length of my wall from that end over to this end, and I came up with 99 inches. Then I got a little piece of chalk, and I went ahead and found the center at 49.5, and I made a little mark. And then on the back of this sign, you also want to find the center of your picture. And then on the back, there's 2 hooks. And you want to measure from the hook to the middle of your sign here. And that's 20 3/4 there. And then, since my ceilings are low, I went ahead and used my level. And it has a measuring tape on the side here. So I went ahead, and to get it level, I used this, and then I marked on the side, on the wall with a piece of chalk, where I want my nail to go. And I also did it on that side. So I think it came out pretty good. It looks nice, straight and level, and I got a couple more pieces I want to hang. Well, my kitchen sign is all hung, and I went ahead and used the fork and the spoon off to the side. And then I have the Rise and Shine rooster. That's on the other side. And I had to show you this at an angle because my chandelier is blocking the whole view from the front. But this is my eat-in kitchen area. And then just before Christmas, I went ahead and added the buffalo check balances above my sliders. And then this little centerpiece here, I think it's time that I pick something else out. So I might have to change that to something else. And then one other thing I did in the kitchen, I went ahead and got these little cotton wreaths and kept the buffalo check ribbon. And I'm gonna keep them up for a little while through the winter. And then down here, I have my little gather together dish towels. So that's pretty much all I did in the kitchen after the holidays. I took everything down. And then one other thing I kept up, I used a little buffalo check napkin and just switched out the Christmas ring and used a little boxwood, and then just put my little salt and pepper roosters right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it inspires you to do some decorating in your home. And until next time, happy decorating!